When we went to the Terre Haute plant the first time after the acquisition, I made a personal commitment to the people there that that plant would be reopened. I couldn't say in 1, 2, 3, 5 years. However, that's why that became my personal goal. And in order to do so, we had first to consolidate our business in the US market. We had great achievements with builders and new distributors, and that's when we decided we are ready to reopen Terre Haute.
The business was ready for it. They were excited about starting up Terre Haute. This is the largest fiber cement plant that Allura owns. It's one of the largest in the U.S.
And the day that I informed my bosses that we would be reopened Terre Haute, that it was the time, that was a personal satisfaction to tell the people, okay, this is it. We're going for that.
So for this plant, we tried to hire people in that we thought we could grow with the business, and we've already got a lot of those people that were already working for us, but contributing to that level of expertise across the business.
So I think right from the very beginning, we had the support of our sister plants here in the U.S. We've brought in people from the outside, we've brought in people that worked here before, and it's been interesting to see that merge together here.
Everybody was all in. They, spent their time away from their family. They did whatever it took. They worked a lot of long hours. We wouldn't have been able to make the first sheet off of this line had it not been for the contribution of everybody on the startup team and then from the training from the other plants.
And the support and energy around starting this plant up, but in the company as a whole, has been fantastic.
The level of energy was amazing because we had so much to do and did it on time, which we did, and we didn't hurt anybody while we did it. And now every milestone we make, it's another change of energy. Every goal we meet is something that changes the energy level of this plant.
Finally seeing the machine running, hearing that vacuum system go, and seeing the mud get on the felt was finally that defining moment I've been waiting for 3 years.
The most exciting part for me starting up Terre Haute was seeing the first sheet come off the roller. That first day we ran for about 6 hours straight with no issues. I kind of slept a lot better that night.
I think this is a great example of teamwork. I think the collaboration within not just the city, but also the plant people, the Allura community, or the Allura family, and our support from our corporate office, Elementia, has been outstanding.
It's obviously when you look around the facility that Elementia trusts us and has given us a great amount of support financially to grow the plant, and then with all the resources that the other plants are providing to help us learn faster.
Elementia's support has been 24/7, 365. It's been very positive.
Not only is the new plant great for the company, but also for the community. I think we're making a great impact in the community, and we want that. We want to be closer to them. We want to become part of the family.
The one thing that I really like to say to the community is thank you. I appreciate all the support that we've gotten locally. That's great for us because you know what? We're very proud of what we're doing here, and we're very proud to be in Terre Haute, Indiana.
It's interesting to see the impact that opening a new facility can have on the community because that's one of the values we have at Allura is positively impacting the community in which we work.
When the news broke in December that the plant had restarted, I think everyone was very pleased to hear that. But then to learn that it was going to be reopened in a short time period once we got the call that it was going to be reopened was just one of the best days I've had in recent years.
The impact is huge from the perspective not only of hiring employees, but needing local goods and services. So every time we have something like this, there's a ripple effect.
And it just means a lot to the community and the economic development side of it. The spin-off of it's just tremendous.
Well, when we found out the plant was going to reopen, we were all very excited. We thank Elementia for making the investment in Terre Haute and bringing Allura, and congratulate the company with bringing it back to life.
With the plant reopening, it means there's a future for us. There's jobs in Terre Haute again.
So having Terre Haute open helps us to better serve our customers. It's going to play a very important role within the Allura business because being in the Midwest is a very strategic region. It's going to allow us to better serve them.
Well, since day one I've started here, our focus has been customer service. That has been the #1 priority for Allura, and that's how we intend to gain our business, is through customer service.
For us, it's about helping them grow their business. In turn, our business will grow with them, but we got to put our arms around our customers. We appreciate what they do for us, and we understand what the commitment is from us to deliver to them.
And quality really means to the customer that we're providing them with the product they need, and hopefully we're exceeding what they want.
So it would be awesome if they're wowed. And that's really what the quality program here at Allura is really about.
So now the dream becomes bigger. Okay, we reopened Terre Haute. Now the goal is to have Terre Haute up and running at 100% capacity. And seeing that plant at a maximum capacity is going to be again, another personal goal and a great satisfaction for all the employees.
My hopes for the future of the plant is continue to grow. We're primarily a one-shift operation. I'd like to see us running around the clock 365 days a year.
My hopes for the plant are obviously for success. I'd love to see us ultimately be the world's largest supplier of fiber cement.
Today, thanks to a lot of hard work and a lot of wonderful people being all in, Allura is better and stronger than ever.
We are thankful and appreciate the investment in our community and want you to be really successful. And so it's an exciting time.
We're very proud to have this product manufactured in our community.
I'm most proud of the people that work for Allura. I mean, from top to bottom, in any discipline in our company, everybody's there to help. They're there to contribute. They're there to help the business grow. And if it wasn't for that, this plant would have never opened.
We have that all-in attitude. We all want to succeed. This is our career. We try to help each other out when we can. We try to do the best that we can for one another.
To everyone from Elementia, our home office in Houston, the staff from our other plants, the startup team in Terre Haute, and our new Terre Haute employees, thank you for helping make this day a reality.